Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Our lesson for today is all about investigating how pushes and pulls affect motion.
Let's begin. James pushes his toy truck. What will happen next? And the correct answer is letter B. It starts moving. Emma pulls her red wagon full of toys. What is she doing? And the correct answer is letter C, pulling it. Noah wants to move a ball. What can he do to start it? And the correct answer is letter A, push it.
Ava wants to test if pushing harder makes the swing move higher. What should she do? And the correct answer is letter A, push harder. Hyacinth wants to test how to move a backpack faster across the floor. What should she change? And the correct answer is letter A, the strength of her push. Olivia pushes a box lightly, and it moves slowly. How can she make it go faster? And the correct answer is letter C, push harder.
William rolls a ball gently and then strongly. What happens with the stronger push? And the correct answer is letter B. It goes faster. Charlotte's toy car hits a wall. What will the car do next? And the correct answer is letter A, stop. Daniel wants to test which surface makes a ball roll farthest. What should he do? And the correct answer is letter C. Roll it on tile.
Grace and Ella roll balls. Grace pushes softly, Ella pushes hard. Whose ball moves faster? And the correct answer is letter B, Ella's. Robert wants to stop his rolling toy car. What should he do? And the correct answer is letter C, use his hand to stop it. Emma wants to test if a harder push makes the ball go farther. What should she keep the same? And the correct answer is letter A, the ball she uses.
Benjamin pushes a toy boat in water. What happens if he pushes harder? And the correct answer is letter C, it moves faster. Harper pushes a box on grass, on the tiles, then on sand. Where does it move easier? And the correct answer is letter B, on the tiles. Ethan wants his toy train to move faster towards him. What should he do? And the correct answer is letter A, pull it harder.
Lily and Jacob roll balls on ramps. Lily's ramp is taller. What'll happen? And the correct answer is letter C. Her ball rolls faster. Amelia pushes 2 balls, one heavy and one light. Which will move first? And the correct answer is letter A, the light ball. David wants to find out how a pole changes motion. What should he do? And the correct answer is letter B. Pull it gently and then strongly.
Sophia rolls a ball on smooth ground. What will happen on rough ground? And the correct answer is letter C. It stops sooner. Alexander wants to change the direction of his ball. What can he do? And the correct answer is letter A. Push it from one side. Emily rolls a marble down a ramp. What happens if she makes the ramp steeper? And the correct answer is letter B. It rolls faster.
William wants to make his toy car turn left. What should he do? And the correct answer is letter A. Push it from the right side. Madison rolls balls down 2 ramps, one short, one tall. Which goes faster? And the correct answer is letter C, tall ramp ball. Abigail wants to test if pushing or pulling moves her box faster. What should she do? And the correct answer is letter B. Try both and compare.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.